What's the meaning of Botox? Botox. Botox.
Botox. Botox. Botox is a brand name for a type of purified protein derived from the Clostridium botulinum bacterium. Botox injections temporarily paralyze or weaken muscles, which can result in a reduction of wrinkles and fine lines on the face. The effects of Botox typically last for 3 to 6 months before the muscle movement gradually returns to normal. Botox is commonly used to treat frown lines between the eyebrows, crow's feet around the eyes, and forehead wrinkles. It can also be used to treat medical conditions such as chronic migraines, excessive sweating, and muscle spasms. Overall, Botox can provide a smoother, more youthful appearance with minimal downtime and low risk of side effects.